got a hope. Babe, I don't know if I'm gonna do your cake for your birthday because this is hard. And welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA. I was feeling crazy for a little bit, kind of sick. Didn't really know what was wrong with me. But now I feel kind of normal again, so here I am. So this is gonna be kind of a random vlog. I'm just gonna see where it goes. Yesterday, Miss Layla had a nap in her crib, in her room. I was in the room, but at least she slept in her crib. So that's what we're gonna do today. We are going to try and continue this thing so we can eventually have her sleep in her room because she does sleep with us. And I know you're looking at this mattress, or lack of mattress. So we bought a bed, and our old bed, our actual mattress, is a king. This bed is a Cali king. So our mattress doesn't fit. So mattress is on its way here. When will it get here? I don't know. It said 6 to 9 days. So anyways, getting here in about a week or so. I bought it Monday. Today is what day? Today's Thursday. So yeah. So I found her old sleeping machine. Her old what is this? I can't think. I found her old sound machine, but I don't know where the actual plug is to turn it on. It takes AAA batteries, but I don't think we have AAA batteries. We have AA for sure. So I'm gonna go look for this. I think it's in her room somewhere. I remember putting it in her room. Anyways, so she hasn't slept with us, or correction, she has not slept in her bedroom. Yesterday was the first time she napped. She took a long nap. It was an hour and a half, a little bit longer than that. I just wanted to come on here and kind of explain the route of this vlog. It's gonna be very random, so just come along. Okay, so I feel like that thing is somewhere in here, so I'm gonna look for it, and when I find it, I'll be right back. Please, baby Jesus, be please be it. I don't think it's it. It is. Okay. Put this on so you don't get cold. How'd you sleep? You slept good? You like sleeping in your crib? Yeah? Let's take this off. Ow, did you hear my knee? So, we got our couches. What do you think? Do you like our couches, babe? Yeah. You like them? You like to jump on them? You can't jump on them? Good, you know better, huh? Yeah, so we got them like the day before my birthday, so the 1st of September. And I love them. The only thing I didn't realize that the back of them was so low, so whenever she's like trying to stand up, you gotta be careful. Yes, babe. Food, you want to eat? You want to eat? Yeah, we're gonna eat because she had a long nap. She started her nap at 1 and is 3:23, so that was a good nap. So we're gonna eat. All right, good job. But I don't need you to spray anymore because you already sprayed some, okay? You're such a good helper. Talk to the people. Talk to the people. Talk. Hi. Say hi, my name is Layla. Say my birthday. No, come on, talk to the people. My birthday is this month. Say my birthday. My birthday is this month. I will be 2. Say I. Be careful. Say I will. Tell them. Shoes. Yeah, you got your shoes on finally. I know, I got shoes on too. Good job. Good job washing it. I'll help you, hold on. Here, rinse it. You rinse it. There you go. Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is to do a little test cake. So for Layla's birthday, I wanna do the cake, okay? And I've never done fondant before. I did her cake last year. Let me show y'all if I have it real quick. I know I ate that salad. I like 3 something, but I'm hungry again. It's 5:30. Layla was needy and we just watched a little TV. Yes, babe. Anyway, so I did her cake last year. Ooh, the glare. So I want to do it this year. This year is themed. That's why last year I wanted to make it all cute, because I knew that that was it. Because it's just gonna be themed from now on. Okay, so we're gonna do a little test because I've never done fondant before. Okay, that's a little bit elevated. I don't know if I'm gonna do all that. The theme is Minnie Mouse. So I wanna try something. I just wanna play with the fondant, see how it feels, you know, lay it out, put it on top of the cake. So I prepped 2 little mini cakes yesterday. Just box cake, nothing crazy. Because I want to try it. So I want to see, because you know we're not gonna mess it up. So you see, just something. Why is this funny? Can you even see? You can't, but you will. You want a little bit more? Yeah. I think it's gonna help. But what else? It looks so cute, but I don't think it's gonna be enough icing. It's not even. This is what I have so far. I think this is the best I could do right now. OMG, no. But like, how do they make it so smooth? But how do they make it so smooth? This is hard. Maybe I need to watch my videos. Let's smooth some more. What happened? Oh, we've got a whole... Babe, I don't know if I'm gonna do your cake for your birthday because this is hard. I should have read this. Roll out your fondant. Place fondant in iced cake. Smooth top with fondant. No, it's not. It's not that simple. 5 hours later. This is the first time that I even play with fondants. So no clue here. I also, when I first laid it out to cover the cake, I didn't even know you were supposed to measure it. You're literally supposed to measure the top. Okay, so the top of the cake, the side, and then the side, and then add it up, and then that's what you want to roll out your fondant to be before even rolling it out, like on top of the cake. So I had no clue. So this is just an experiment, okay? So don't judge. This is the most amateur cake ever. I'm not even gonna show the back because the back looks like, I don't know, you're holding in a wedgie or something. So first ever fondant bow, and then fake flower, and then those little flowers, and then the name. Obviously this is too small, the letters are too big. The number 2 would definitely be a different color, but it's just all, you know, we're just trying something here, okay? And then this bow, but this bow needs to dry. Layla, get out of there. What was I saying? Anyways, this is just, you know, we just wanted to try it. That's why it was purchased. Babe. The bow. There's a Minnie Mouse bow. I can't even talk. A Minnie Mouse bow. You like it? It says Layla. Look, it has your name. It says Layla. It says Layla. Look, it has a bow. It has flowers. So, that is all for today's vlog. I'm so tired because it's literally been forever. I can't remember when I started. But thank you so much for watching. See you later. Blow them a kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Alright. Peace.